Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host Ulises Herrera. Guys, if you like the fact that we've been right on our predictions on all our videos so far in the past, I mean, we've probably missed one or two. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys. I strongly encourage everybody to sign up for the channel. You have nothing to lose. The most you have to lose is that you're gonna sign up to some guy's boring ass channel. Like, here we give actual news with predictions with facts, guys. We're not always correct, but we try to be to do our best to be correct, and our predictions have come true. It's not just me saying that. You have video evidence in my channel of our predictions coming true another time. So if you like that, get right into the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bells, and for all the time sensitive alerts, hit the all button. Guys, let's get right into it. We're gonna go into Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the most important coins to be looking at right now because these coins drive the entire market, crypto market. So as we predicted, you know, the bear flag played out on the 4 hourly for Bitcoin. When I called that bear flag out, we were around 59,000. I think we were somewhere around here, 59,000, and then all of a sudden we dropped back to like 56,000. We wicked down to even 55,000 at some points. So we got that correct. Now what's next, guys? So let's look at the 4 hourly right now and see what's going on. So right now it seems like Bitcoin is trying to get a little bounce on the RSI 4 hour, and on the 1 hour we've already gotten a decent bounce. So what does this mean right now, guys? So it means to me that Bitcoin needs to break over 60,000, as I've said in the past. If we can break over 60,000, then that means Bitcoin will probably be pumping up more towards the upside. But if we cannot hold 50,000, we will keep breaking down. And to me, it seems that we have a new pattern forming on the 4 hourly. Well, actually, not a new pattern. I'm already skipping ahead. I'm thinking of Ethereum. We'll talk about Ethereum right now, so stick around, guys. So, guys, as you can see, whenever we don't hold the bull market support band, we tend to keep dropping. On these, we went up, we got on the top of the bull market support band, and then we eventually dumped down. So right now, this channel has been playing out pretty consistently. Right here, as you can see, we've been traveling within this channel very consistently, and we haven't broken above it. So if right now we can hit the top of the channel and then break above it, then obviously it'll be quite positive because we will break 60,000. But if we do not break the channel, we could probably go like this and maybe come back down and retest the bottom of this channel, which will ultimately bring us to the $53,000 to $52,000 price range, guys. So I think that's what's gonna be next for us to watch in the next couple days. If you guys hit the like, subscribe button if you like my birds chirping in the background almost every video. I love them. Can't stop them from chirping. Sorry about that, guys. We're gonna have to deal with it. But that's what I see for Bitcoin, guys. The 1 hourly, it's already had a nice pump. Can it sustain the pump? Well, we'll have to see. But either way, if we get rejected off the 200, which is around 59,000, we're still gonna keep going lower, guys. We need a break above major moving averages in order to keep going towards the positive side. The 50-day move, I'm sorry, the 200-day moving average is at 61,000 here. We are essentially not bullish until we get above the 200-day moving average, guys. So that's very, very key, very important. We're substantially low below the market support band on the 1 day. So ultimately, we'll have to see what happens, guys. But the RSI shows me that we're going towards the downside. Now, check it out, guys. One thing that's worrying me quite a bit on Bitcoin is that on the 1 week chart, which is kind of like the chart the overall bigger picture for the next couple of weeks, is that we've already started to break below the momentum. So as you can see, check this out. Whenever the momentum starts to die down and then eventually goes into the off-white, then you start to see quite a bit of a drop. Now, that doesn't always have to play out, because check it out right here. we had some momentum. It went a wind down. We tested the bull market support band, and then ultimately we exploded up. That's what we want to see happen, guys. Right now this on the 1 week doesn't look obviously great to me, because we have like this double top pattern right here, and now it's breaking down. If we break below here, guys, this line, that would probably not be a good thing, because that means we would signal that we will keep going down, and that's ultimately not bad like in general, but overall it'll take us longer to keep going, pumping to major levels. But we have to see this play out, guys. We have to see Bitcoin hold the bull market support band. The bull market support band ultimate level is at 60,000. I'm sorry, 50,000. So that's a very critical support level for us to be watching, guys. Anywhere from 48 to 54,000 are very critical levels that we need to watch out for, guys. And we'll see what happens. So let's go to Ethereum to see what Ethereum is telling us, guys. So Ethereum, very similar. It's starting to show some signs of weakness. As you can see, we're starting to head down. We're not, this RSI is not pointing up. It's pointing down on the 1 week, which is not great, obviously. The 1 day chart, and guys, remember, I am ultimately bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. I'm just saying this is for the short term. In the next 5 to 10 years, I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to be the financial assets of the future. So I'm just talking short term. Please don't think that I'm bearish on Bitcoin, because I'm not. I am hugely bullish on Bitcoin. But on the 1 day right here, we're starting to kind of almost trade sideways, as you can see. So this is very interesting. We have this pattern right here on Ethereum. We're kind of starting to form a new pattern right here, guys. It looks like we've ultimately been playing within this pattern right here. We get rejected off 4,400, and then we go down. So we'll see what happens at the 4,400, guys. Are we going to get rejected and keep going down again? Ultimately, it may be looking like 4,000 might be the buying zone, guys. Anywhere from 3,800 to 4,000 is going to be the new buying zone for the 1 day chart. So that's something I'm going to take into consideration. But it just seems like right now Ethereum as well as Bitcoin had a nice little pump on the 1 hour. How much can we go in on the can we keep pumping on the 1 hour? Hard to say, because it's already kind of reached the top. So maybe the pump will start to diminish here, and then come back down and retest 4,200 in the next couple hours. We'll see, because the 2 hourly still looks somewhat strong. It looks strong, like I can't say that it doesn't. And the 3 hourly looks like we haven't even had any positive momentum. So ultimately, the next couple hours are going to be very interesting, guys, to see what happens. And just be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. I am very positive about Bitcoin in the next couple of years. So this is just short-term predictions, guys. Short-term predictions, which we have been correct on pretty often. So like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys. And let's talk about, where is it? Shiba coin, just because everybody likes talking about Shiba coin. As I mentioned, guys, Shiba coin would ultimately test the 50-day moving average, which is originally what I said. And if it doesn't hold the 50, the next point of support for me would be 0.0030, which it seems like that's going to be playing out now. So we'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. Ultimately, on the 4 hourly, we're pretty low. So it wouldn't be out of the picture to see a small pump. But on the 1 day chart, it looks like we're still going down. So we'll see what happens. Alright, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next one.